using something that store items, so you can use it, but I prefer to use VS Code. So I'm going to open my VS Code, and here we are going to write. Basically, I had written the basic things here. What are the basic things? I have linked my style sheet and made into files, and here is the doc type with the script tag, and here our style.css file. Here we are going to come in index.html. First we are going to add you can say first we are going to make all of the divs. So we are going to make .a. You can say .a will be the full body, and in it there will be .b. So .b, and there will be .c, and there will be .d. Like this. The A is the that I am giving the title. You can say I am going to give it the name. That will be A. Save it. So I am going to do. In the B there will be what? One more dot content. So in dot content what will be there? There is going to be in dot B there will be the button with the ID of A. The button is going to be cross. In the content we are going to write with content, and here we are going to write an anchor tag. You can say A.A help is be index.html, and that will be home. You can say I am going to make it home, and then contact about, and then there will be an h2 with dashboard. You can select navbar. Save it. I am going to go live too, and in the .b what we are going. Okay, done. Now we have to make one more button. There is .b. Come down. There will be dot button. In dot button there will be a button like this, and there will be the ID of the button. ID is going to be B, and at the button there will be first come at your live server. That is this you can see. That's looking like this. And the button, wait, I am going to come in a new tab, and we are going to write cdnjs.com/libraries/font-awesome. So that's the code. You can say the URL of the font awesome. So I am going to come here, we are going to wait, and I am going to write my favorite languages, that is, wait, we are going to give the title to HTML CSS JavaScript, and I am going to do my favorite word, that is scripting. I had put in here a script tag too. Now we are going to make a variable that will be ID A and B. So I am going to make a constant with the const A is equal to document dot get element by the ID. The ID is going to be A, and that will be the button. Same work here. A, there will be the B, and that will be B2. Now we have to click the add event listener here. A dot add event listener. What will be the event listener? Event listener will be click and wait. Click, and then there will be an comma, empty bracket is equal to ending arrow. That's an arrow key function. Here we are going to make the function that is O, like this, and then we have to make the next b dot add event listener. The event listener is collect to comma empty bracket is equal to ending arrow. The arrow key function. The function is f. Now we have to make the function o first come up. Here we have to give the id, do the b that will be like c, come down. Now we are going to call the c document dot get element by the id. The id is going to be c at the end dot style dot style dot they will be what? The width is equal to 40%. Simply finish it. Now we have to make the another one, that is the function f with the curly bracket. They will be document dot get element by the id. The id is going to be c2 and dot style dot width is equal to, that will be 0. And save it. They have the event listeners. We have to give them more important style. So there is dot b. So first I am going to style dot a. First the basic one, that is body. There will be margin 0. Padding will be 0 too. Save it. Come here. Let's look like this now. Now we have to call dot a background only. Background is going to be linear gradient, like I'm going to do to right, like gray comma light gray. Save it. Wait, I am going to come here. Here is dot a. We have to don't give the name. Save it. But wait, why it's not dot a coming? Style dot CSS here. Okay, the linking is here. Wait, that is dot a. Simply save it. Save it here too. But the background is not coming. Wait, dot to. Okay, and there will be a padding or 20 pixels. Save it. Padding is coming, but the color is not. Background color will be gray. Okay, and we will be padding too. And dot b. Overflow will be hidden. And you can say left will be 0, top will be 0. And then what? The width is going to be 0 too. So it will be like this. And what we have to make here? We have to make here position. Fixed. Save it. Like this. Now what we have to make? In dot a, there will be height of 100%. There will be any saved. Save it. Come here. The height is going to be 100. Like 100 pixels. Wait, 900 pixels you can see. For an example, we have to come in font awesome. Okay, we had copy link and there will be font awesome. Come in CDNJS, Simply come in index.html and the head paste it. Now here we need a transition to save it. If I click it, so there, where is it? Wait, there is .b. Overflow hidden, and we have to put more things. Index.html. Here we have to come down with it. There is a B. .b position fixed height 100%. We have to give the height to. Height is going to be 100%. 100 pixels, like not 100%. Save it. Wait, come here. IDA 9dB. Come down at the script. There will be B first. O is the 40%. Part's not working. There is the A. See, okay, A. We have to call the A.id listener O style. Wait. I am going to finish the ID listeners O and F. I will come up. Add the button. Add the B button. There will be what? The on click. On click is going to be O. Yes, it's A. And the closing button will be IDA. So there will be what? The on click is equal to the F button. Save it. On click, okay, close. Now the CSS, we have to put the CSS like the background. Background will be like royal blue. It's looking like this. Now we have to write here dot content text align center. Save it. And wait, there will be a display block. Wait, we have to put dot content, have any anchor tag. There are many anchor tag in it. So display is going to be block. Save it. And there will be the text. Decoration will be the none. You can say none. Save it. It looks like this. Wait. Here's another one. I am going to give it 100%. If I do it 100 pixels and 900 pixels. Why it's not working? It's royal blue. Save it. If I didn't do display blocks, it will be. Click here, so there is it. Save it, come here, and when we open it, it's looking like this. But we have to do background color will be transparent. Save it like this. And when we put the display block, so that's look like this. Now we have to put the color. Color will be Alice blue. And come in index.html. We have to put a bias. Click here, it look like this. Now we need the margin in it. Will be margin of 20 pixels. Margin saved. Wait. The margin is not here. Wait. One click. There is no margin. I'm going to come down. And there will be margin of 30 pixels. Save it. No. And if there is a padding of 20 pixels, no. And come in the index.html. Come here, we need the bias more. Copy it, paste, paste, paste. Save it. Clicking. Okay. Now what we need, come here. Now we have to come in font awesome. Here, go to the icons. Double click here, write a bars, and then enter. And there will be icons here, you can see. And we are going to wait some time. I am going to click first one, and there will be the one click where it's loading. I'm going to come back. We are here, right click here and come back here, and we have to paste on the button with the IDB, I think. As it will be a bit. It's a, but it's not showing us. It's a, okay. Now we have to style the buttons. The button, the background will be transparent. Transparent, save it. Okay. And the border is equal to none. Save it. And .am money button, float, right. I think it will be not. I'm going to finish it. Here, save it. Come here. There is our button. We have to make there one more .o. Open it. Come in it. Come here and write here the style. Style is equal to float. The value of the float is going to be, and that will be right. save it, come here, refresh it to it, save it, come here, so there, where is it, that save button, okay, we have to basically copy this styling, come here, add the button, paste it, then save it, come here, we are going to see it, that's it. On click it, come here. So now I am going to come here, we are going to see many things, and when we click it, so there will be many things, so here we are going to see. So when we click it, it is here, but we need the transition. And when we are going to make one more thing that will look more good. So there is .b, we need the transition. Transition of 0.9 seconds. 0.9 seconds. Wait. 0.9 seconds. Save it. When I click it, so that will be okay. Now what we have to do, we are going to make one more content, like when I hover it, so that we have the shape and the color. So I am going to, so here I am going to come here, add the index.html, and here we are going to write the things, and here at the index there will be a C. So there will be dot 1, and we are going to open it in dot 1, and there will be an anchor tag. So here there will be one with the h2. Wait a second. So we are going to basically make it with the transition. In H2 there will be a Pakistan, like that's different from e-commerce, you can say. There is Pakistan, we have to style it, like come in the style.css, what we have to do. There is dot 1 background. Background is going to be like red, save, come here, that's red. We have to give the width. What will be the width is going to be like only 300 pixels. 300 pixels. And the text alignment will be center. Like this, they will be padding to or 20 pixels, like this, and we are going to add here main properties that are transition. There will be transition of 1.9 seconds, save it. And what will be the hover? Dot 1 hover. Wait. We have to write a dot 1 hover, first the border radius will be there of 90 pixels. Save it. Now we are going to see like this. Little bit more padding. Pixels of padding. Wait. The width will be 200. And the height is going to be 300. Now not so much. That will be like 100. Like this. More. 70. Like this with the transition. And like there will be the box shadow too. Box shadow will be 10 pixels. No 10 pixels, we can say 5 pixels, 5 pixels, 5 pixels. Save it. It has the box shadow. Little bit more, like 9, 9 and 9. Save it. So we are going to duplicate it. So, and we have, after that we have to make the footer. Come in index, simply duplicate it. There is another one. 3. There are total 3, but it's not looking good. We have to do the display. I am going to write here dot 1 display inline block and save it. Come here, refresh it like this, and there will be little bit margin too. There will be margin of 20 pixels, I think. Yes. Like this and like this. We have to make one more. Like this and then simply we add no more. Like this and like this and like this and like this. So now we have to make the footer. That will be a sticky one. So in the dotty I am going to make the footer. So I am going to write here a paragraph with the lorem 8. Save it, come here, there is the text. But come in the style.css. Wait a second. The height is going to be 900 to 500. Like this. And we are going to make it sticky. I am going to basically preview it. Come here, and now you are going to see my site. So if you hadn't seen my short, so you know that thing. So I had put an at my short. So you are going to see there is 4 boxes of Pakistan. So when I hover it, so that will be rounded with the work shadow. When I don't, so that will be. So now we have to do the name. Come down, come down. So you have to write here dot D. Dot D text align center. Like this, save it. That will be at the center, but we have to make one more thing. Background. Will be dark gray. Save it, come here. So it's looking like this. There will be a padding or 20 pixels. Like this. Now we have to make it a sticky one. Simply, I don't know really. There will be position. Wait. Like this, save it. Okay, so that's our site. So if you like my video, don't forget to press the bell icon button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So I will meet you in the next video with a new content. So don't and take care. Allah Hafiz.